Okay, so we got set up here. I'm gonna take a shot. I did take a practice shot just to make sure I wasn't gonna hit the chronograph or anything. I may hit the phone here, but I'm gonna try not to do that. And I have the indoor lighting rig set up on it right now. So let's check it out here. This is a Sanlita Dragon X8 is the bow. It's set up at 54 pounds, just a little over 54 right now. And it's this is a 422 grain arrow, a gold tip pro hunter, 7595, or the 300 spine, the heavy arrow. So let's see what happens. And I'm set up appropriately here. They recommend, Competition Electronics recommends that you stand just a little more than an arrow length away from the chronograph. So that's where I am. Let's see what we get here. Yeah, 257. I mean, that's actually not bad for the bow being tuned down at where it is. It's only 54 pounds. So yeah, not too bad. So yeah, it's pretty cool. One of the things that I noticed about it that I like is that the indoor lighting system does have a nice long cord on it. So I mean, within reason, you can, if you're pretty close to an outlet, you can use it. Like I didn't have to use an extension cord the way it's set up now. So I thought that was pretty nice. So you can see how everything looks here. Just here in my shop, and I just have it sitting on a regular, photo tripod for now. So anyway, I think what I'll do now is just do a quick test here with the diffusers. As I said, I shot the arrow before, and I got 257. I'll just keep shooting the same arrow. I've tried it a couple times and gotten the 257. So there's a pretty good bet that it's about there. So let's see if there's any difference with the diffusers instead of the indoor lighting system. All right, be right back. Okay, so the last thing we'll check for now in our initial look here at this chronograph is I've switched out now to the diffusers, the light diffusers, which are included as a standard feature. So again, we're checking the difference now, if there is any, between the diffuser set and the indoor lighting kit. Same bow, same setup, same arrow, and again, this won't be the ultimate scientific test, but it's just a quick look here to see if we see any difference. The first, with the indoor lighting kit, it was 257, and I got that reading several times, so seems to be pretty accurate or consistent. So let's see what we get now with the diffusers. Huh, nothing. Okay, that's interesting. So yeah, let's try that again just to be sure. But yeah, if that's the case, then I'll be really glad that I bought the diffuser or the indoor lighting setup. 1 second. So here we go again. Same deal here. Got the same arrow, same setup. The diffuser set's still on. I had just taken a shot and didn't get any readings, so let's try again just to confirm that. yeah, nothing. And that time the chronograph responded. I mean, you guys probably could see it watching a video. I'm actually shooting, but I saw that it tried to read that time, and it didn't. So this is interesting. Let's what I'm going to do now is remove the diffusers, and I'm going to take one more shot with just the rods in place, and let's see what happens there. Then we'll move back to the indoor lighting system, and that'll kind of confirm, at least for my situation, whether or not the indoor lighting is needed. It appears that right now it's going to be a pretty good investment. So now the diffusers have been removed. So now the bars are still there, but I'm leaving them there just to kind of help me make sure that I shoot through the right area. Everything else is the same. Let's see what happens here. Didn't get anything again, so that's interesting. So one more try, and now what I'm going to do is put the indoor lighting system back up. So final try on our initial test here. The lighting system, the indoor lighting system, is back on. Everything else is the same, so let's try one more time. And let's see what we get here. Yeah, 257. So, yeah, if you were wondering about it, at least in my situation, I debated a little bit about whether or not to get the indoor lighting system. I went ahead and got it, and it seems like that's a pretty good idea. At least for what I have here in my situation. I would expect that that's pretty accurate. I just got this chronograph, so I would have expected this bow to be shooting around that area. So I'm going to say that it's accurate, but it definitely, for what I've got here in my shop, I'm really happy that I went ahead and got the indoor lighting system. So if you were kind of on the fence about that and you're planning on using this indoor, I would recommend going ahead and getting it. I would have been disappointed had I not. So anyway, I have a lot of more ideas and stuff for this chronograph, and different things I want to try and experiment, and we'll go along with it together. I want to see how cable silencers and string silencers, how many feet per second difference that might make, and just a variety of other things. So anyway, this is our initial look here at this Competition Electronics Pro Chrono DLX. I don't have the Bluetooth hooked up or anything yet, so as I work through that, I will keep you guys informed and try to make more videos on it. But so far, yeah, I really like it. I am glad that I have the indoor lighting. It seems like that's going to make a big difference. All right, we'll see you guys next time.